Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use potting mix for vegetables. First, choosing the right potting mix is crucial for successful vegetable gardening. Always select a high-quality blend specifically designed for vegetables. These mixes offer excellent drainage and aeration, preventing common issues like root rot. They also contain a balanced array of essential nutrients, providing a strong foundation for your plants to thrive from day one. This initial step sets the stage for abundant harvests. Next, let's prepare your containers. Proper drainage is key, so ensure each pot has adequate holes, ideally at least 1/2 inch opening for every gallon of volume. If reusing containers, clean them thoroughly with a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water to eliminate any lingering pathogens. Then, fill your chosen containers with the potting mix, leaving approximately 1 inch of space from the top rim. This space is vital for watering without overflow. Now it's time to plant your vegetables. Create a small, appropriately sized hole in the center of your potting mix for either seeds or plant starts. Carefully place your plant, ensuring its root ball sits level with the surrounding soil surface. Gently backfill with more potting mix, lightly firming it around the base of the plant to remove large air pockets. Finish by watering thoroughly. This helps settle the soil and provides initial hydration for your new plant. Finally, consistent watering and ongoing care are essential for healthy vegetable growth. Check the top 1 inch of soil for dryness before watering. Consistency is key, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Fertilize your plants according to the product's instructions, usually every 2 to 4 weeks, to replenish nutrients. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases, addressing them quickly to maintain their vitality and ensure a bountiful harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.